I was talking to my coworker the other day. I told him I'm gonna cook me some collard greens, but I sure miss my cornbread because I don't have no oven in this little small cabin. He said, "Why don't you try the air fryer?" I never thought of that. So I'm gonna show you how I air fry mine. This Jiffy corn mix, you can just go by the instructions on the back. You know, add your eggs, milk. If you want to add a little sugar, like I'm doing right here, it's perfectly fine. So this is my first time trying it. I went on YouTube and Googled it, and I looked at a couple of videos, but I don't know. You know, sometimes those videos, they don't be correct. So I'm gonna show you how I'm doing mine. So I'm gonna mix everything up and got it like I want it. Set it off to the side for about 5 or 10 minutes. And I'm gonna grease my little pan up. I'm gonna use this cooking oil right here. It's butter flavored. So I'm gonna just grease this little pan up. It's a small little pan that I found at Walmart. I didn't have anything else. So I just purchased this little thing right here. So I'm gonna pan it up. And what I'm gonna do is put it in this air fryer for about a minute. I was gonna do it for 2 minutes, but I'm gonna put it in there for about a minute just to get everything warmed up. So it's in there at 300 degrees. I set it at 2, but I only kept it in there like a minute. Then once I let this sit for about 5 to 10 minutes, I'm gonna pour it in there. Or maybe I'll just let it sit there for about 2 minutes. But once I pour it in here, I'm gonna let it sit another 5 minutes and let it rise a little bit. So I'm gonna sit it off to the side for say 5 or 10 minutes, however long you want. Then once I'm ready, as you can see right here, this little pan I got it in. And on YouTube, they say cook it at 16 minutes at 350 degrees. So I'm going to try that at first. So I got it at 350, 16 minutes. And once it cooked 16 minutes, I checked it and it wasn't ready. So I put it on another 10 minutes at 350 degrees, a total cook time of 26 minutes. As you can see, I got it on at 350 for another 10 minutes. You see my greens and corn on the side. And I'm also air frying some chicken. So this is after 26 minutes of cook time. I'm going to punch a little hole in it and see if it's still wet on the inside. And it looks pretty good. So I'm going to just sit it off to the side and just let it, throw my butter on it while it's hot so it can melt, and just let it sit on the side and rest for another 10-15 minutes before I take it out the pan. So I season my chicken right there, put a little flour on it, and throw oil on it. I've done this before a few times, so I know exactly what to do on this. So you just flour your chicken like you always do and put your season on it. Put it in your air fryer for 20 minutes at 400 degrees. Sit back and drink your cold beer, and that chicken would be perfect. I've done this before, some drumsticks, and 20 minutes is perfect at 400 degrees. So everything's almost done. I got about 20 more minutes. And here, after 10 minutes, my bread rested. So let's see if it comes out the pan. So I'm going to turn it upside down. Wow, it slid right out. It's not the prettiest piece of bread. It looked like a pound cake. But hey, it works. So let's try it. Let's cut it and see. So this 26 minutes at 350. Wow. I'm very impressed with this. I never thought about doing cornbread in the air fryer, because I don't have no oven in this little cabin right here on this work site. So man, it looks just like a pound cake. It's just right. So now I'm gonna go ahead and wait on this chicken. Hey, that 20 minutes is over. So let's go ahead and fix a plate. Now this is my plate right here. Everything was in the air fryer except my greens and my corn. So this cornbread is perfect. I'm very impressed. Let's see what we got. Got my collard greens. I always got to have my collard greens. Corn and this cornbread. It didn't look pretty on the outside, but I tell you what, I've already sampled it. Man, perfect. And my chicken in the air fryer. So everything in the air fryer, because I don't have no oven in this little cabin. So let me give this chicken a try right here. This straight out of the air fryer, 400 degrees for 20 minutes. I've done this before, so I knew exactly what to do. Don't forget to subscribe, like, turn on your notifications, and share this video. Also leave comments. Thanks for watching Welding and Stuff.